Today's main objective, to stay cool, calm, and collective since the judge overruled mommy's perspective. Her next tactic was pumping fear in our daughter. Defy instead of adhering to orders. Wait, where's my recorder? She loves building a case, tearing down family. Children displaced, does what you're hearing sound amity? No, not at all. But the child complies with the wildest lies. Pile for size, I'm talking monumental. Trying to prevent regrets that are beyond resentful. Everything plain isn't Continental. You still got spirits that fly, but do you still got mirrors inside? To me, you never had them. Pushing narratives, I'm a terrible guy. You can't imperialize, thinking no one would ever fathom. We're all waking up to your deceit, pump faking us with disbelief. We had about enough. Abuse is an argument, I would shout and fuss, knowing she'll like the cops to take out their cuffs. I shall fear no evil, nor doubt their bluffs. You need to give it up. We had about enough.